I don't look like my friends. We all are different. God made us special and unique. Yeah, we come from different places. We all have different faces. There's no one in the world like me. Just like a rainbow, we are so beautiful. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made by you. And check out this hair on my head. God said each one he counted. I think that means he cares a lot. A lot, lot. And I know it doesn't matter, walking or in a wheelchair. I am his child and I am loved, so I trust him no matter what. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made by you. God makes no mistakes. Nobody's body is the same. Like stars in the sky, we are the apple of his eye. God makes no mistakes. Nobody's body is the same. Like stars in the sky, we're his design. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made by you.
You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you. Hello everybody, I'm Peyton. I'm so glad you're here. I've been doing marble painting. Raise your hand if you've ever done marble painting. It's so fun. Look at this awesome painting I did. What colors do you see? Yes, there is blue and green. It kind of looks like the ocean. Maybe I should make one that looks like the sun. I know! I can use orange. And this one. What color is this? Right! It's yellow. I think orange and yellow will look like the sun. First I put my paper in the box. Then I got some paint ready. First yellow, then orange. Now I need one more thing for marble painting. What is it? A marble! Here we go! Ta-da! My marble painting son!
Hoo, hoo.
It's Ollie!
Hello, Peyton. Hoo, hoo. I see what you made. I love every color and shade, too.
Oh, thanks, Ollie. I love it.
Excited about your painting, are you? I know someone who made the wonderful you. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Ah, there we go. Nice and smooth. Oh, hola, friends. I'm Luis the Handyman. I was just sanding the stool for my friend. I had to wear these goggles to protect my eyes. Do you know who made my wonderful eyes? That's right. God made my eyes. And that reminds me of today's true story from the Bible. Would you like to help me build it? Great! Let's put it on the story fence. Hammers up, little builders. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, hammer! Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now, we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Now, we've been talking about how God made everything. God made the grass and the trees and the sun and the sky. And God made the most wonderful thing of all. You! God made every part of your body, every single one. Now tell me, what part of your body helps you see? That's right, your eyes. God made your eyes. Now, we can use our eyes to see all the beautiful things God made. God also made something that we use to hear. Now, what part of the body helps you hear? That's right, our ears. God made our ears. We can hear all kinds of things with our ears. Now, get your listening ears ready. Now, what do you think this is? Oh, that sounds like someone cheering. Yay! Let's try another one. Oh, that sounds like a kitten. Oh, that's so sweet. All right, let's listen with our ears one more time. What's this? Oh, I hear fun music that we can dance and sing to. Woo! Aha! That reminds me of another body part that God made. Now, what part of the body helps you sing? That's right. God made our mouths. We can sing with our mouths. We can use our mouths to shout and laugh when we're on the playground. We can use our mouths if we need to ask for help. And we can use our mouths to say kind words to our friends. Let's do that right now. Turn to a friend beside you and say, God made you wonderful. Ready? God made you wonderful. Great job, everyone. God made every part of you. Eyes and ears and mouth and what else did God make? Oh, I know. My nose. God made my nose. We use our nose to smell all kinds of things, like flowers. Now pretend to smell a beautiful flower right now. Ready? Oh, that smells so good. Uh-oh.
Do you know what that is? Yeah, a skunk. Ooh, it sure looks cute, but it can spray a stinky smell. Ugh, you. Phew. Wow. God made every single part of you, from the tippy top of your head all the way down to your arms and hands and fingers, down to your legs and feet and the very tips of your toes. God made you wonderful. Now raise your hand if God made you wonderful. That's right. Now raise your other hand if God made your friends and family wonderful. That's right. God made all of us wonderful. Woo! Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who made you wonderful?
God made me wonderful. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made you wonderful?
God made me wonderful. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Adios.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God made everything wonderful, including you, and you, and you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, God made each and every one of us wonderful. God is an awesome artist. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. Marble painting was so much fun. But I think I'm going to try something else with my wonderful hands. I'm going to draw with chalk now. See you next time. Bye!
I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139:14. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139:14.